there.
Not me outside on a Sunday. On a Sunday. These stores. It's nice out. All these stores in Belmont Park Village. It's nice out here. So I have to carry y'all with me.
Right.
See? See how far back? It's a lot of stores. And all of them ain't even open up yet. You know? What's this? Oh, diamonds is a girl's best friend. Look at Valentino. And this is what?
That's
Experience.
the entrance. That's the entrance.
Street Cafe. So let's go. Not the plant-based, not the plant-based. So I just got back in the house. So we went to go check out the new mall, the USB Arena. Very cute. Most of the stores is not opened yet, and it was me, my daughter, and my grandson. We went, but it's nice and bright outside. It was nice, but still cold. But out there is really nice. So when the summer comes in 110% in, where it's nice and warm, it's a nice cutesy patootsy to walk up and down and chill. Cause it's still cold, but it's bright out. It's nice out. Yeah. But interesting. They have a lot of, so according to them, it's like a outlet or something. I'm not sure. A lot of these nice, expensive stores is in there. So I went and checked it out, and it was good. You hear it? It's time for him to eat and go to bed. No, I'm kidding. But it was cool. Yeah, it was really cool. It's a nice little spot, you know. It's big though. I mean, it's not huge, but it's big enough where you can comfortably sit and talk and relax and shop. But I feel like when it's fully open, because you have to pay for parking, I feel like when it's fully open, child, please, you might can't get in there. Good morning. So tell me why this morning I came out and Susie ain't talking to me. You know, Susie, my car horn, the horn went dead. My car horn decided not to work. My mechanic, he tired of me. Cause let me tell you something. Susie ain't brand new, but she moves like she brand new. What wreck his nerves. Wreck his nerves, I tell you. So I'm at the mechanic shop. So I'm by my mechanic. He tired of me. The simplest sound here. You bring in a car, and ain't nothing wrong with a car. Horn ain't working. Oh, now the horn don't work. Yeah. My car is over 20 years old, but I love her. Yep. I love her. Power goes out to the people with the brand new vehicles. I ain't doing it. Not right now, anyway. I love my old car. It's really just a car. It's not a computer. It's just a car. But not that I don't love the newer vehicles. Like my dream car is a Lambo truck. Girl, Maintenance on that baby. Oh, maintenance on a Lambo truck. And I see young people driving them all the time. It don't be the business people. I mean, young people today are business people. Let me not be a bitch. Young people today, they doing their thing. Shout out to the young people that's doing their thing. It's their time. Anyway, he working on my horn. I'm mad she decided. He said blow the horn. All I got spoke. I want my horn to work. I'll be happy when it starts. Because I drive like a crazy person, so I need it to work. It works. It works. Honey, it works. I was just dropping my grandson to school when the shit didn't. I was trying to. So I was like, wait, no horn? So, nah, I need a horn. Just like how my brakes have to be good, my horn have to be good. I don't play with the lights, the brakes, and the horn. Morning, guys. So I came home yesterday from getting my horn on my car done. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. I came home, I took a shower. No, I ate some grape nuts. You know grape nut, the cereal? I ate a little bowl of that. I went to bed. I was so tired. But I'm on my way out the door. To go take care of something. I don't know. But I'm gonna stop by Starbucks and get me some chai tea. That's the only thing I drink from Starbucks is the chai tea. So let's go to Starbucks. Go get that and come back. I still haven't changed out my, you know what? Don't talk about me, because I still ain't changed out my, I'm still on Valentine. The cord. Still. I know, but my, I don't know who cologne this in the house, but I'm using some. Whatever, it was just laying there on top of the TV stand. Who else does that? Crazy me. Happy Mother's Day! Hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day. Oh, the day is done. Wait a minute, you want to see what I got for my Mother's Day? My daughter. Aren't they so pretty? Look. Aren't they so pretty? I got a bunch of roses. I love and chocolate, but I ate all the chocolate off. And mangoes, baby, mangoes. Ain't that cute? And a customer gave me these, which is also pretty, but my hydrangeas dropped. See? So pretty. Guys, guess what I did? So I went to Home Goods this morning. Gonna look for something to hold my Mommy Day flower, right? that my sweet daughter got me, yes. This is a flower, and this is a vase. Ain't it pretty? I love it. This is gorgeous, right? So, that's the look. Ain't it pretty? Don't mind the liquor over here. That's not what you're looking at. But look at her. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. She's so pretty. Ain't this vase fab? It's, like I said, I went to Home Goods and I got it. It is stone. So pretty. I think it's fab. And they look so good in there. So good in there. So good in there. Ain't it cute? This is nice. I like this. Yeah. Fabulous. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. I just absolutely love, love, love it. Yep. Look at my daughter over there. And here I also ordered some, oh, hold on. Yeah. So as I was saying, I bought these. You know how you do sproutings, like your seeds. This is what this is for. And this is what the bottle goes on top of. So it looks something like this. So I'm guessing the bottle stays like that. These are the covers for it. See? And this is what it looks like. Let's get this out of the way. This is what it looks like. Right? And this is a cover. I ordered a couple of them. I know my hands is as dry as hell. Nails need to be done. I had my hands in water all day. So I got 1, 2, it's 4 of these. 4 of these. Here. Yeah, 4 of these. This is the stand for the bottles, and this is the top for the bottles. So, yep. Yeah, that's me. I'm gonna try my hands at sprouting. I've never sprouted before. I'm gonna try it to see if I do good or bad. Let's see. Yeah. You know, you always learn new things. New is good sometimes. And what's in the plastic over there by the door coming in? Some cupcakes. I freaking drop it. You believe this? Look how sexy they are. Oh, Jesus of mercy. I know. I kind of messed up. So I went to Dough Girl. Them cupcakes Oh, them cupcakes is the devil. Let me tell you, them cupcakes, they the devil. They the devil, whether you believe it or not. Them cupcakes is the devil. They the devil. Let me tell you why. So I'm sitting here, I'm having one of these. But I had those cupcakes. I had 2 of them. I bought for $12. I bought 12 of them. I stopped by my mom. I gave her 4. I gave my grandson 4. He's with his dad, so I stopped by his dad, gave him 4. And I bring the other 4 home. Me and my daughter split. She took 2, I took 2. My other daughter was at work. She didn't get none. Unless when she go by baby daddy, she had. Let me tell you, I need some bitters, and this is what I chose. So I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna go wash my ass and go to bed. Bed, because the sweets today, I overdid it. Yeah, I overdid it. And I'm trying not to go for it. But them cupcakes was good. Them cupcakes, yeah, they were good. Yeah, they was. Because, girl. Yeah, so after this, I'm gonna go wash my hiney and go to bed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and watch and comment and all the good stuff that they do here. Like I say, I'm still learning. Night, 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 night. Cleaning out all these flower beds. So far, I did a little bit over there. All the stuff that came out of it. It's getting ready to rain. So, and here comes the rain. Yup, let's go in. Had to come in. Look at that. Pouring. New York City. Nice and hot today, 90 degrees, and now we have some nice thunderstorm. This is love right here. That's how much God loves us. Oh, look at that. Get it. Oh, honey. Horrid. Love that for us.